Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple 30-minute dress. Whether you're looking for a formal or a casual look, this dress is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, print out the pattern. The link to the pattern you can find in the description down below. Don't forget to check the size of a test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Trim down the edges where it meets. Then tape everything together and cut out all the pattern pieces. Next step is to cut out all the pattern pieces out of the fabric. For this dress, you can take any fabric of your choice. The main thing is that the fabric should be stretchy. Now we're gonna start sewing. So place your back piece to the front piece right sides together and line it up at the shoulder and side seams. And then just pin it in place. Now you can sew all of your seams with your overlocker, but if you don't have any overlocker, you can use your home sewing machine on a zigzag stitch setting. Now we need to finish the neckline and the armholes. To do this, I cut out 3 strips of fabric 2 centimeters wide and lengths equal to the length of the armholes and neckline. And I finished them on the overlocker, but you can just use pre-made bias tape. Now we need to join binding ends. Place binding ends right sides together as I show and make a diagonal stitch. And once it's sewn, trim off the excess. But before that, I recommend you to check whether everything is correct and not twisted on the right side. After that, stitch everything in place using the overlocker. Then I fold the binding once and secure it with a basting stitch. And I top stitch it with 1 centimeter as the seam allowance. Lastly, we just have to hem the dress. This is not necessary, but for a cleaner edge, I'm going to just overlock the edge of the hem first. Then I turn it once at 1 centimeter and make a straight stitch. And our dress is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.